Folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine here. Wife got me a birthday present. I've been anxiously awaiting opening it. It's from Precision Matthews. And what we have here is a collet chuck, a 5C adjustable D1-4 chuck. Oh, son of a gun was heavy. Let me get it out of here. Kind of really excited to try this thing out. That's a chunk of metal there. Come boxed pretty well. Okay, we got our. All right, that came boxed very well. Get this out. Dropping the thing on the floor. Look at that. A whole load of stuff. We're getting there. Okay. Whee. All right. Get there. Greasy son of a gun. All right. There it is, 5C collet chuck. Looks like we have our mounting kit. I'll be back as soon as I get the mount tabs on it. Okay, we got all the studs in there. Seated them all the way down, then turned them out 4 turns. Seemed to be the right amount to be to mount properly on the lathe. It's a handsome looking unit. Got a nice Precision Matthews logo on it. Let's go put her on the lathe. Be right back. Okay. I think I got everything spaced well. I haven't cleaned it apart or taken it apart or cleaned it yet. They always say to do that with these Chinese chucks, and I will. But it does fit on there very nicely. Let's pick out a 5C collet. Anything will do. They give you one of these chucks with a spring on there. That'll probably come off pretty quick. Let's see if one of their there we go. Oh, I hate that already. All right, you can see that's going to be a nuisance. That's got to go. All right. Spring came off with a little bit of vice grip help. I can see where somebody'd want to get some kind of power thing on there to speed this process up. Seems pretty smooth though. Oh goodness. How many cranks that take? A lot. There we go. Well, let's fire it up and see Hopefully she don't fall off. Ooh, I'm checking it out. I can see movement already. When you can see the run out, you know there is run out. We'll check into it and line it out. All right, folks, there it is. One Precision Matthews 5C collet chuck on a PM 1228 VF LB lathe. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.